Okay, so we're going to continue today. We got huge delay because of the stupid rain in California. We are May 26th and it was raining the last 3 weeks. What we're going to do today, we're going to change here the grill and we're going to remove the hood. It's kind of fixed, but I decided to put the anniversary hood on it. The windshield completely fixed like a brand new, like if nothing ever happened. And those are the new fender flares. We just still need to get rid of those ugly wheels that come from the factory. We're gonna get other one, and we have to put over here, there is a shield that go under the fenders, make it look nicer. You don't see the ugly bolt and everything, and it's prevent also from water splashing all over there. So let's start. Okay, so we're gonna replace this thing with a more aggressive grill. This one got damaged when it got hit. And this damage is easier to repair, but I don't want to have this piece on it, and instead we're gonna end up putting this aggressive look. Now if you want to paint this thing, you have to prep it before, as they come from the factory. They are flat black. We're probably gonna end up removing it and repainting this, but let's start. First thing you have to do, you have to open your hood. If it's not clear to you that you need to open your hood to do that, I guess you're in the wrong business. You try Barbie dolls or something. Then I'm gonna set this right there. Over here on the top there is those plastic clips. There is two tools that can work for it. The regular screwdriver will work much easier, so let's try to do it with that. They're just popping up, no problem. There's a small groove. You just have to lift those up and pull them, and that's it. It's very simple. Now, before you pull in anything, there is blinkers here that you have to remove. Those guys, you remove them from the back right here. There is a small clip. You have to press and pull. Need two hands for that. Yeah, they don't want to get out so easy, so you have to struggle with it a little bit. Let's see why it's doing that. Okay. So I want to show you guys something right there. There is right underneath, there is a red piece. You're gonna have to pull it out. The red piece is right here. You have to pull it backwards in order for this to go loose. If not, it's not coming out. That's it. This piece needs to come out. If it go down, it will be locked in place. We're gonna remove the other one and then we can pull it out. Same thing. Now it's this one is on the top. It's get pulled right away. It's pretty easy. Okay, that's it. Whoosh, full of sand. Now you need to pay attention for all the small tabs. I missed two of them. Let's pull all those out completely. It will be much easier. And make sure you put all those in a place that you can reuse them, because those are still good. Nothing wrong with those. Then all you need to do is pop those out completely. By lifting it a little bit, they're just gonna pop out. It's make it much easier. Those pieces. When those are out, keep the pieces. Now pull those down, and there is those clips on the bottom that you just yank out. If you do it gentle enough, you're not gonna break them, and you can reuse it. There it is. You have to be very gentle. I already see here that they want to break the tab from the body. If you look right there, it's want to break. So I have to wiggle it a little bit in order for it to work much better. One more. The last one is always the problem one. That's it. And it's out, and those are the pieces that were stuck there, and you have to put on your new one the new pieces. So now we have to take the blinkers out. Very simple. You just need one of those, and you're just gonna push it in and push the other one. Put your hand underneath so it's not gonna fall. It's kind of a bit of a pain because you have to do both of them at the same time. So you start with one, push it a little bit down, and then go to the other. And that's it, it's down. While you're down, so you're not confusing which side it is, you're just gonna go and already put it in the new spot, and if you're lucky it will just fall in. Let's see. This one don't want to fit so good. I guess that this Extreme Terrain company product not really fit like they said it is. Yeah, the holes are not aligning perfect. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna open this one a little bit with the X-Acto blade, just so it's gonna fit better. One and second one is here. You hear it clicked, and that's it. Let's do the other side. Okay. Same thing, push it in a little bit and do the second one. Let's see if this side will actually fit. Yeah, this one is fit better, but it's not really clicking yet, and this one is cracked from the factory. Yeah, they're both cracked. Okay, let's click in. Okay, it's clicked in, but the product is broken. Again, this is from extremeterrain.com. We're gonna put it on, but I highly recommend not to buy. Too many flaws so far. Okay, now you get those are pressed. You just have to put them in all the corners. They're just gonna slide in. Don't try to use your old one, they're very hard to remove. Okay, now this is done. The only thing that we have to do is to put here the self-locking nuts when we're done, and put here the kind of the seal for the water. Again, there's another scratch here. Okay, let's put it on the vehicle. Hopefully it's not going to fall apart. Make sure that everything is aligned before you push it. One, two, three, four. But there is two other one over here that need to get pushed, and I did not hear them click yet. 1 and 2. And now we're gonna go back to those guys. This thing is totally crooked. Only from touching this is getting so bad. Okay, so now we're putting back those pins. This product is not the cheapest and is not the most expensive, but it seems to be that it's not working so good. I don't know why, what reason it's have to do that, but when we put the part in together, the product just don't want to align literally to any of the hole on the vehicle. So it was a major issue that I always need to stop the video and align it for real quick. Now it's fit, but after we actually trim some of the parts so they can fit. Interesting. That's it. Okay, now it's sitting. Look pretty aggressive right now, but we're not done yet. Now is the hardest part. We're gonna change this hood. So what we need to do to start removing all those small parts. But before we do that, there is here a dust guard that's supposed to go. We're gonna have to put the dust guard over here. You really want to dust this first and bring your hood down to see where you need to put the dust guard. It's going to be right here. So this is the dust guard. Start with measuring more or less what will be the center. I'm just literally going by one light to another. And what you want to do is just set it up in one spot and then pull up the rest of the tape halfway and feed it gently so it's keep the same line. Okay, and our this is kind of a water and dust guard. Let's close it and see how it looks. Yeah, it's gonna be just fine. Let's reopen it and start taking our hood out.